Do you like twisted Koeksisters? Follow me as my mom shows me how she does it. In a bowl, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of milk. We're going to put it in the microwave to melt and we mix it all together. Add in 3 tablespoons of sugar. We're going to beat up 1 egg and mix that in. And then we're going to add 10 grams of yeast. Mix it all together while it's warm. Now we're going to sift 2 cups of flour. We're going to add some salt and we're going to gradually mix it all together until we get a nice dough. Once we get the dough, we're going to form it into a ball, cover it with some cling wrap, and then we're going to put it into a warm place to rise until it doubles in size. Once it is doubled in size, we're going to knock it down and we're going to knead it until it's no longer sticky and it can form a ball. Once the ball is formed, we're going to put it back in the container, wrap it with cling wrap, allow it to prove again and double in size. Once proved, we're going to knock it down again, knead it all together, and now we're going to start measuring it and split it into 16 pieces. We're going to take each one, make a long strip, and at the end we're going to twist it in opposite directions, put it together and it automatically twists itself. So we're going to allow it to prove again. Now we're going to take 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water and allow that to boil. Once our Koeksisters are now proved nicely and they gain some shape, we are going to put some oil in a shallow pan and allow that to heat on a medium heat. And when it is ready, we're going to fry it until both sides are nice and golden brown. Then we are ready, we are going to soak it in some hot syrup. And if you want to flavor your syrup, you can add some cinnamon sticks and ilachi pods. You can have it plain, or you can take some desiccated coconut and cover it all. And if you want to try something different, you can also add some cinnamon powder and some sugar into a bag, and you can put that into a bag and shake it around, and you can also have that. These are absolutely fluffy and delicious, guys. Let me know if you're going to try them out. We actually love them so much. It is actually super easy, super quick, really delicious, guys. Yum.